Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to those of you guys that are part of this community, and welcome for the first time for those who are new. Today my husband and I decided to go thrifting, and it's something we haven't really done a whole lot together. There are some thrift shops near our home that we've been to a couple of times, but that's not really his scene. That's more something that my mom and I would do together, but my mother was not available on this day, so my husband and I went together after we had lunch together. So we spent the day and just had a good time. So some of these places that we found were out of our area. We had never heard of them before, and we found them on Google Maps or on Apple Maps or whatever. We just sort of went on there and looked around to see what we could find. And this is one of the shops that we saw. It was called Everything Thrift, I believe. And, they had a lot of really cute stuff, but a lot of stuff's really expensive, and we are not in a position right now to be buying anything that is not either necessary or something that's going to help me with decorating for fall or the seasons or whatever. So we just took it easy, walked around, checked it all out, and kind of had nostalgic moments because my husband found a lot of things that reminded him of his childhood and living in the house that he grew up in. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys look at all the stuff we saw and give you guys some great music to listen to, and I'll be back periodically to talk about some of the things that I saw.
Drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. I look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. And I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind.
So this is an old Bible that my husband found. He actually called me over to come see it because it was written in 1902. And there's someone's name here. And we just thought it was pretty neat because the pages are so thin that we felt like it was going to fall apart in our hands. It's one of those things you think you'd have to have gloves for. So, but it was a pretty neat find.
It feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. So many times I wanted to put my arms around you just to be close to you. And in my head, it's just you and I don't know why I feel this way. Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile, watching you smile. Now I can't get over you, I'm losing my mind. All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by.
So Ken was pretty excited about this. This is actually a pizza cutter from I don't know when, but it was pretty neat looking, and he wanted to make sure that he got it on film. So there you go. That's a pizza cutter.
I fall in love. I fall in love. All of the things that I wish I could tell you every time when you're passing me by. I fall in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. And if I only could be there to hold you, it feels like I stop breathing when you're around. I'm in love. There's something about you. I wish you were mine. Ooh, there's something about you. I wish you were mine. I try to fill my mind with anything but him. So caught up in it. So caught up in it. Don't wanna love him anymore. I'm not gaining anything. So why am I still so caught up with him?
Honestly, there were so many nice plate sets here. You know, it makes me wish that I had a hutch in my kitchen so that I could actually put these things in there, but I don't, and I don't really have a place to display them. But all of these things that I saw just in this one section, in this one booth, was just beautiful. And there was a lot of different types of plates. There was a lot of kind of Japanese ware. There was milk glass plates. I even saw some depression glass back there, and really just enjoyed looking at all of those things. They remind me of me growing up with my grandparents, because my grandma had a bunch of that stuff laying around her house, and she used to tell me the stories about that type of glass and kind of how it came about. And I even had a client, probably about 11 years ago, that had told me about depression glass and how she got hers and all that kind of stuff. So it was really interesting stories, honestly. But this pink set right here just absolutely blew me away. And again, had I had the money and a place to put it, they would have been mine.
Just another day without the ghost of us, without the thought of us. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't love him anymore, no. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't love him anymore, no. Guess things happen for a reason.
And so while we were looking at the copper section, I saw this and asked my husband to pull it down. And wait until you see the price on this thing. Just wait. Just wait. It's coming. I almost choked when I saw that. I said, there is no way. That is $88. Oh boy. Anyway, so yeah, not worth it to me.
Just another day without the ghost of us, without the thought of us. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't love him anymore, no. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't need him, no. Wish I didn't love him anymore, no.
Okay, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys some stuff that I purchased recently. As I mentioned in the video prior to this, I talked about getting a dry mop to go back and forth on the floor, okay, instead of like taking a regular broom and sweeping. So this is what I purchased, and I still have to put it together, of course, but I really liked the style of it. The pads come off and you can wash them, reuse, and that kind of thing. So that's going to help me a ton at work. And I think, let's see, I think that it comes with 3 pads and I don't know what this little thing is here, but it comes with, it looks like it's the whole mop and then 3 or 2 of these in that. So anyway, I'm excited to take it to work on Tuesday and try it out. And then today my mom decided to go ahead and take me over to Costco, and I need to get a few things. So I came back with Dawn soap. You know, I like the Platinum Advanced. This stuff actually works really well, and it doesn't take a lot of it to clean. So then I wound up running out of these, thinking that I had more, but I didn't. So while we were there, I just went ahead and picked some of these up as well. And right now, I believe these were $12.99, I think, for the box of 17. And the Dawn was, I want to say $9.99 for the whole thing. And this is going to last me probably about a year, maybe longer than a year. So anyway, that's not bad. And then when we went thrifting yesterday, I was able to find these cute little bells, and actually one of them doesn't have a thing in it, but it's fine. I don't need it to have one, but thought these bells were really cute and decided to go ahead and grab these. And we got these from a place called the Halo Animal Rescue, and I don't know if you've ever seen the Halo Rescue before. Everything that you buy there goes to the Halo Rescue itself, so it helps feed the dogs and the cats, and it helps the business to thrive. So went ahead and spent some money there, and now we have these bells for decor. Also on Amazon, I think about 2 weeks ago, I purchased these new pillow covers. I wanted something different this year. The other ones that I had were really shaggy and they were really nice, but I think over time the fibers become sort of stuck together, even when you wash them. I've been washing them and they don't go back to being perfect. I probably have to get some kind of a brush and brush them out to make that happen. But I decided to get something a little bit different. So I have 2 of them. These are 18 by 18 inch, and these are not choppable pillows, unfortunately, but I will be getting some choppable pillows eventually. And I saw this one as well for the large pillow that came with our sofa. And I liked it because it has the blue, it has all these different colors in it, and so I decided to go ahead and just try it out and see if I liked it, and it actually works out great. So this is a perfect summer and then segue into fall pillow for the living room.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place.
Well guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today and watching. Hope you watched all the way through. And if you did like today's video, please make sure to go below and hit that like button. And if you like the content of this channel, then be sure to subscribe, because there's a lot of stuff coming in the future to this channel. I've got home renos, I've got all kinds of different types of things, reviews, things that are coming, and decorating videos and things like that. And there's my kitty cat back there. He wanted to be involved today. So hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's not over yet, but we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place, if it's only for